Good day friends, I am Dr. Praveen Jacob and today I am going to talk about a common misconception. Everyone is under the impression that autism is a brain related disorder. But is it really? And today I would like to stress a point which will help you to understand that autism is no more a brain disorder. It is strongly related to your gut. So autistic children's brain is just like mine and yours. Most of the time there is no issue related to their brain, their software. They have perfect IQ like rest of the population. So then what is the autism? One example can help you to understand, which is exactly like the virus attack of a software. The software will not have any fault, but if it is attacked by a virus, it gets damaged. Similarly, the autistic children's brain is constantly attacked by some of the virus. It's not just virus, some of the toxins from the gut. And one more example can clarify it better way. Alcoholism. When individuals are under the influence of alcohol, they behave abnormally. So initially once you consume the alcohol, that goes to the intestine. From the intestine, alcohol reach to your brain. After reaching to brain, they start exhibiting abnormal behavior. Similarly, now scientists have found some toxins, some chemicals reaching to the brain, activating the brain of autistic children, and the origin of that toxin is nothing but the gut. There are numerous type of bacteria located in our gut. Unfortunately, the autistic children gut bacteria produce some types of toxins. When scientists evaluated the stool sample of the parents and autistic children, they were astonished to see that 3 types of extra bacteria are found in the stool of autistic children, which is not found in the stool of their siblings or their parents. So these 3 extra bacteria are highly dangerous. They have the capability to produce some of the toxins called as neurotoxins, and these toxins from the gut travel to the brain, enter to the software of the children, autistic children, and contributing to the symptoms of autism. So this is the theory. So it is no more a brain disorder. It is nothing but neurotoxicity of the brain. The neurotoxins are originated from gut. Some bad bacteria produce neurotoxins, travel to brain, activating the brain and manifesting as autism. So what is the solution, dear friends, here? If you target the brain, the lifelong child never get any improvement. So what is the important take home message here? If you want to reverse the autism, if you want to manage it in a better way, you have to target the gut. I have got hundreds of autistic children today. They do come to our hospital. When I targeted their gut by modifying their dietary pattern, by incorporating prebiotics and probiotics, there had been drastic improvement in all the aspects of autism. Finally, I conclude by saying that autism is a disorder which originates in the gut but ascends till brain. Therefore, target gut, reverse autism. Thank you.